All right, so it's 4:30 in the morning. We are in the shop right now. We are going to check and see what's here and what needs immediate attention before it's time for the drivers to take off. A lot of people that get onto these buses, they think that it's just a kind of, I guess, like starting your car in the morning. But in order for you to have a machine that's going to run anywhere from 8 hours to 24 hours around the clock, there's a lot of tedious things that you have to check. So now it's about midday, it's 10 a.m.-ish. We have whatever buses haven't gone out today. We're checking inspections and doing work orders on what makes them not go out to function. I like the challenge. Not fix it tomorrow, not call somebody to come and fix it. You're the one that's fixing everything. It's part of, loving your job, and I love my job. That's why we're here every single day. So the very last task of my day is basically transfer information. It is 3-ish o'clock now. Everything that's happened throughout the day or anything that we have done here, we're gonna go ahead and transfer to the PM shift. So the PM shift is gonna go ahead and pick up whatever we didn't finish, and they're gonna either get it done by tonight or we'll have it done early in the morning to where it'll be ready for service. That is it. That is the end of the day. Bye.